Ma'am, actually we learned this in seventh class.
Yes, yes. You have learned already in 6th and 7th class. So firstly, we will go through it and then we will start to do questions. Okay?
Ma'am, we learned about complementary angles and supplementary angles, right?
Yes.
Ma'am, they taught us about complementary, supplementary, parallel, vertically opposite, coincident. I learned all of them, ma'am. So,
Means in this you learn you know about the line, segment, ray, line, these all topics of geometry.
ma'am, they didn't go that deep in the chapter, but they gave us a glimpse of the chapter in 7th.
Actually, your voice is cracking. I could not understand too
They taught
much.
us very little about lines and angles in 7th grade, so we didn't learn that much in depth about them.
So which topic you want to start today?
Ma'am, we were supposed to start lines and angles with the previous teacher.
Okay, so can we start with lines and angle? Can we start it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, okay. So I think you know in you have studied already about the line, point, rays, acute angle, obtuse angle. You know all these. And you know the complementary angles. What are complementary angles?
And complementary angles are the angles which together make up 90 degrees.
Two angles having the sum of 90 degree, that is known as complementary angle, right? And the next one is supplementary. Do you know supplementary is?
Two angles which make up the sum of 180 degrees.
Very good. So that is known as supplementary. And adjacent angle. What are adjacent angle? Anyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Suppose I will draw like that. So this is A, this is B, and this is C. And this point is D. So the supplementary is, the adjacent is two or more angles that have a common vertex. This is a common vertex. So in which the common vertex and two or more angles are there. So that is known as adjacent.
Ma'am, we can also say two angles having common vertex.
Yes, yes. Two or more angles that have a common vertex. That is known as adjacent angle. Now, the next is vertical opposite. So this is a vertical opposite in this one and this one. The two lines intersect at only one point, meet at one point. That is known as vertical opposite angle, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now the next is transversal. Transversal is these two lines, these two parallel lines and cut with single line. So this is a transversal lines.
Ma'am, it's a line that cuts two distinct points. Two or more distinct points, right?
Yes, yes. Yes, yes. If there are two lines parallel to one another, have the same length of the perpendicular. Okay. This is a perpendicular also, the 90 degree.
But transversal always doesn't make 90 degrees. Ma'am, it can make other angles also.
Yes, this is this is if you will like that transversal cut with, so not make a perpendicular then. If straight, then they will make the perpendicular. Yes, you are correct. Okay, so in which lines and angle we will study about this according to the questions. So do you have your NCERT book first? You all have an NCERT book?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You all are in CBSE board?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's great. Now open your first exercise. NCRT class 9th, lines and angles. Which exercise are there? 6.1.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sampad, so read first question of 6.1 firstly. Sampath, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, can you read this one?
Yes, ma'am. First one. In figure 6.13, lines AB
Your voice
and
is coming very low.
Yes,
From my side, the volume is full. Check it
okay,
once.
okay,
Hmm.
ma'am. In figure 6.13, lines AB and CD intersect at point O. If angle AOC plus angle BOE is equals to 70 degrees and angle BOD is 40 degrees, find angle BOE and reflex angle COE.
Okay, so this is a figure. Now, firstly, you will write AB is a straight line. Okay, what you will write in the first line? AB is a straight line. Now, angle AOC plus COE plus EOB. What is the sum of these three? AOC, AOC, COE, and EOB.
180 degrees.
180 degree because this is in a straight line. So 180 degree. Okay. After that, you know AOC and BOC value. BOE and AOC value, you know. What is the value? You have given already in question. AOC and EOB.
Ma'am,
If
is
is
we together
70 degree, you know. So can you find out what is the value of COE then?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it's 110 degrees.
Very good. It is 110 degree. Any problem in these three steps?
No, ma'am.
Sampath, Harshit, and what? Who is the last one? What is your name? Only I see Rohit, Sampath, and Harshit. Okay, Pranav, Jitendra, is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. If you have any doubt, then let me know. I will tell you again. Okay. So COE value is 110 and COE is a reflex angle, right? Where is the COE? This one, COE. So BOC, BOE is given to you already 70 degree we have used. Okay. Now, COE is not a reflex because this is in a straight line. This is a straight angle. So what you will do, COE, if you will find out the COE, so you will subtract 110 minus 70. If you will find out the reflex COE, so that you will subtract with 360. Now you will minus 360 minus 110 so that you will find out the reflex angle. Because reflex angle is always equal to 360 degree. Now what is the answer? If you will subtract 360 minus 110.
250 degrees.
250 degree. Very good. Now you will write AB and CD intersect at O. And The next point, COA is equal to BOD. Kindly see the figure again. What is the reason COA is equal to
Ma'am,
BOD?
vertically opposite.
And vertically
Very
opposite.
good. Very good. Sorry, I didn't write the D. D point is there. Okay, so COA is equal to BOD. The reason is vertical opposite angle. Without any reason, there is no use of geometry. So you have to write all the steps and reason. This is mandatory. Now this is vertical opposite angle. Then you will write what is BOD. I think BOD is given. So now you will use
Ma'am,
of,
BOD is
you will
40
do
degree.
use of BOD. So BOD is 40 degree. It is given.
Yes, ma'am.
So COA is also 40 degree because these two are the same vertical opposite angle. Very good. Now note it down. Then I will remove this one. 2-3 steps more now. I'm sending this question on the group also. Okay? For your revision. Can I remove first 2-3 lines?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now you have written already these two are the vertical opposite angles. So these two are is equal to 40 degree. Now AOC BOE sum is 70 degree. Right? When you will find out the BOE, so 70 minus 40 degree you will do. Because AOC is given to you now 40 degree. Okay. So what is the answer of BOE?
Ma'am, 30 degree.
30 degree. Now your answer is coming 30 degree. If we will find the reflex BOE, so what you will do? Reflex BOE?
It will be 360 minus 30. So 330 degrees.
So what is the final answer then?
300.
330.
But if 360, but reflex BO is 30 degree, reflex COE we have to find now. Okay, okay. No need to find out reflex BOE because question demand is only reflex COE. So this is your final answer. Okay, this is the final answer. Who is joining now? Ryan. Hello, Ryan.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, hello.
Yes, so we have done first question of 6.1. I will repeat tomorrow again. Don't worry about it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? Yeah. And I will send you on group also the first question. Now, kids, any doubt in this question? Can I repeat?
No doubt, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now we will start to do the second question. Can I remove this one if you all have noted? All are noted? Okay. Now read the second question. Ryan, you will read the second question, please, of 6.2, 6.1, second question.
One second, ma'am. I'll just open that site.
Okay, okay. Okay, so Harshit, can you read?
Yeah, ma'am. In figure 6.14, lines XY and MN intersect at O. If angle POY is equals to 90 degrees and A is to B is equals to 2 is to 3, find C.
Okay, now make the figure. Figure is given to you. Firstly, you have to make the figure. A and B value are given in the ratio. This is a perpendicular, so that you will take this as 90 degree. Now, first of all, what you will write? X or Y is a straight line.
Ma'am, actually in the diagram you have to extend the ray backwards one ray.
Yes, yes, it is in N, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yeah,
X or Y is a straight line. After that, there are three angles in a straight line. What are the three angles? B, A, and 90 degree. Am I right? These three are equal to 180 degree because these three are on straight line. Now, the value of, this is a value of POY. This is a POY. So, if you will find out the B plus A value, so what is the value of B plus A then?
90 degrees.
90 degree. So, B plus A is a 90 degree. Now, what is the value of A is to B? A is to B is?
2 is to 3.
Yes. So, can we do like that? Because these two are in the ratio. So that the ratio of B is 3 and the ratio of A is 2. So that we will assume that X,
Yes, ma'am.
then 5X. Then what is the value of X?
Ma'am, 18.
18. Now, what is the value of A then? A is 2X. And the value of X is 18. So 2
Ma'am,
into 18 is
36.
36. Then what is the value of B? B is 3X.
54,
3
ma'am.
into 18 is
54, ma'am.
54. Any doubt?
Oh, ma'am.
Anyone? Pranav, Jitendra, Harshit, any doubt? Riyan?
No.
Okay. If you have any doubt, then you write it on the chat box also. Okay? Don't worry about it. I will repeat this one that again. So, A and B value you know now. What is the vertical opposite angle then? You see in the figure, the vertical opposite is C. If A and B is 36 and 54, so what is the value of B then? C then?
Ma'am, angle A plus angle POY is equals to angle C.
Yes. If you will add A, B and POY, so that would be the equal of C. A plus B plus POY. A is 36, B is 54, POY is 90. The total of these three is 126. And this is a vertical opposite angle of C. So C is also 126. Now note it down, and I'm giving you 2 minutes for revision. Okay, then I will remove it.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am. Shouldn't
sir,
the vertically opposite of C degrees be A and POY, A plus POY? B should not be there.
Because see, these three are the vertical opposite angle. POY is also including A plus POY. Na? This is the same one.
No, I'm
According to
telling
the figure. Na?
we should not do plus
Uh,
54, right? The
yeah,
B
yeah,
is not
this
vertically
is.
opposite.
This
yes, ma'am.
is. This is vertical opposite angle of this.
Ma'am, so
Okay.
no,
Uh,
so ma'am, we have to not include B in
Actually,
vertical.
if you will see in this your book now, so this is in like that. So this is a vertical opposite then. Okay. Kindly see this picture from in your book.
Ma'am, but over here it can be seen as angle NOY and B are vertically opposite, and
Yes,
C and
Yes,
A
yes,
POY
this is
are
a
vertical.
vertical.
So B should not be there. So C should not be 126, but 126 minus 54.
ma'am, even if we add a B, then it will be 180 degrees, not 126.
180 degree is equal because the straight line angle is equal to 180 degree. Na? So that we have to find.
No, ma'am, if we do angle A plus angle B plus angle POY, then we'll get 180 degrees.
Yes, yes. So that one is equal to 180. Then these three are opposite to the C, na?
No, not 3.
So
B is
then
not opposite. Angle B should not be included, right? Angle B is not vertically
if
opposite
you
to
will
C.
if you will see your figure from your book na, so see, this is a
Ma'am, from
full
the
C is
book.
equal to that one.
No, ma'am, from the book. In the book, it's shown as like C is like angle C and A POY are vertically opposite. B is only vertically opposite to NOY.
But XY and MN is intersect at O, na? You will consider that one point also because see,
Ma'am,
these
but
XY.
ma'am, but in the addition of if we add A plus B plus POY, then we'll get 180 degrees. No, ma'am, 36 plus 54 plus 90. It's 180,
But
not
you will
150.
take C is equal to A plus POY, na? Full.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
So you
so
will
in
not
that,
consider, yeah, you will not consider, oh, sorry, yeah. You will not consider it as B. Only 36, yes, yes. Only 36 you will consider, not B.
Yes.
Sorry, only you will POY and A is considered, not B, okay?
yes, ma'am.
So 36 plus 90 is 126, sorry. Now it is okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can I start with third question now?
Yes, ma'am.
Now read the third one question. Pranav, you read the third one question.
Ma'am,
Yes.
in figure 6.15, angle PQR equals to angle PRQ. Then prove that angle PQS equals to angle PRT.
Now this is your figure.
Yes, ma'am.
Open your videos all. Now in this, ST is a straight line. In this question, ST is a straight line. So PQR plus PQS. Where is PQR and PQS? C. This is PQR, this is PQS. The sum of these two is 180 degree.
Degrees because
This is a straight line. Same as PRT. Same as PRT plus PRQ. So the sum of these two is 180 degree, right?
Yes, ma'am.
This is the first equation. This is a second equation. Okay. Now, from first and second, you will add your LHS side together. You will add your RHS side together. So, PQS plus PQR is equal to PRT plus PRQ. Okay. After that, you know PQR is equal to, see the question again, PRQ. This is given. This is given in question. PQR is equal to PRQ. Can I cut with PQR and PRQ? I will
Yes.
cut these two because these two are the same. So which one is the
Yes.
left? Which
PQS
angle is left?
PQS equals to
PQS
PRT.
Is equal to PRT. So this is your answer. You have proved this one. Got it?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Now note it down. Have you done? Noted?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Read fourth question. Jitendra, you read the fourth one.
X plus 5 equal to W plus Z when proved that AOB is a line.
Yes. If x plus y is equal to w plus z, right? The figure is like that. This is B, this is C, this is X, this is Z, Y, and W. This is your figure.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we will start with the given part. X plus Y is equal to W plus Z. So this is a reflex angle. Straight line, there are two, means there are moved on like that and like that. So there is a 360. That one be equal is a 360. So what you will do, you will, if you are taking x plus y plus w plus z, whole part is equal to 360 degree, then x plus y is equal to w plus z. So that you will write again x plus y instead of w plus z, because these two are the equal of w plus z. X plus y is equal to w plus z. Now there are 2x, 2y. So 2 you will common, write common, and in bracket you will write x plus y. So what is the value of x plus y?
I'm 2x plus 2. X plus y is 360 by 2.
X plus y is 180. You will divide 360 by 2, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So that x plus y is 180. And what is your question demand? You have to prove that AOB is a line. So if x plus y sum is 180, so AOB is a line. Hello, Yukta.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello. You are joining late, I think.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, before I had a small power cut in my house, so we
Oh.
not able to connect.
So, Yukta, we have done already 6.13 questions. So, if possible, then you will join tomorrow 5 minutes earlier. Okay? You
Ma'am,
and I think one more student joined late class, no? Okay. If you watch you will see the recordings also, and I am sending on the group. Yeah.
ma'am, I have a doubt. Hello, ma'am.
Yeah. So, is there any doubt in the question number 4? Now AOB is a line we have proved already.
Ma'am, what happens to W plus Z in the
Yes.
ma'am? What happens to W plus Z in the question? Ma'am, the values of W plus Z. What happens to them?
I could not listen you properly. Can you write it on the chat box? What are you saying exactly? Yeah, you write it on the chat box. Now you will revise these questions. Okay. So what happens to y, w plus z? W plus z is replaced with x plus y, na? Because these two are the equal. X plus y is equal to w plus z. So we will replace that one. Okay. According to the question demand. So now we have x plus y 180. So same as w plus z is also 180 degree. Okay. If these two are 180 degree, that AOB is a line. Now any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now you will revise these all 4 questions. Firstly, okay? Okay, Yukta. So you will see the recordings also. And I'm sending 4 questions on the group. But if you have any doubt, then I will repeat it tomorrow. So
Okay.
don't worry. Okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, then bye kids. If you have any doubt in these
Bye,
questions, then
ma'am.
let me know tomorrow. Okay,
Okay.
bye-bye.
Hi, ma'am.
Bye.